Well, hello and welcome back. Thank you for coming back. Today, well, we're in downtown Ayia Napa, as promised. We're on a Friday evening and it's a little bit quiet because, well, we're in a bit of a winter season, but there are some very, very nice Christmas decorations over there. Gusivy LaBouffe is going for a bit of a monkey around on a fountain. Look at that. And before we go any further, and without any further ado, let's introduce you to the most beautiful woman in the world. We're watching Gusivy LaBouffe.
Hello everybody, how nice to see you again and again.
And again. Right, come on Gusivy LaBouffe. Let's go and storm the harbour area and see what's going on. Because as you can see, there's quite a nice array of Christmas decorations. Have a look at that. There we go. There's one of Santa Claus's shoes or boots, and there's some very, very nice presents indeed in there. And Gusivy LaBouffe is wondering what might be in his boots. That's what she's wondering. Right, come on Gusivy. Let's storm the entrance of the harbour in downtown Ayia Napa. Have a look at that. Umbrellas. It's like a winter wonderland, and we've been promised tomorrow night that there's going to be a bit of a fair going on and lots of stall holders are going to come down. So guess what? We're going to come back down tomorrow night and storm it. But what an entrance to the harbour area. Just feast your eyes and digest that. There's something very, very special about Christmas in downtown Ayia Napa. Gusivy?
So beautiful. It's so amazing. It is like a world of paradise.
It is indeed.
And I think that I was given the birth again.
Oh no. Parasailing. Right, let's have a wiggle and a waggle through the harbour area and let you digest some of these rather spectacular Christmas decorations. And well, Gusivy LaBouffe obviously is going to monkey about as she does. And as I told you at the start of the video, tomorrow night we've been told that this is going to be full of life. Everything's going to be open and there's going to be stall holders selling their Christmas wear. And guess what? We'll be coming back. So don't forget to come back and mosey on down with us. There's Santa Claus again. That's the Queen Vic pub over there to the left hand side. And as you see, to be honest, it's quite busy.
Have you seen the Santa Claus holding a big thing in between his legs?
Is he? What's he got there? There we are. He's got a sack with an awful lot of presents and that sort of stuff in there. And he's got another sack on his back full of more presents for all of our lovely, lovely watchers. Now, here we go. 2023, as we understand, is literally around the corner. So don't forget to come back tomorrow when this place comes to life and there's going to be people selling their wares, and we're told there's going to be some performers going on as well. Over there you've got a mini Luna Park. Have a look at that. And as we continue on down, here's another Santa Claus, and again he's got a nice big box over there in blue, and he's got a nice big box on that side in green. So obviously that side's for Gusivy LaBouffe and the blue box must be for me. And he's even brought his rangers to town, as you can see. And he's got snowflakes. There he is again in his sleigh just over there, and yet again further rangers. And as you can see, these are the stalls that are going to be all set up. So don't forget to come back tomorrow night because we're going to find out what they're going to sell. Let's go and have a look at these rather nice collection of Christmas trees. And they are rather nice. Feast your eyes upon that. There's something very, very special about Christmas. And of course, in downtown Ayia Napa, if you understand, it's not even cold. The temperature on the car as we pulled up was around about 17 degrees. You heard me correctly, 17 degrees. Gusivy?
Have you seen those, how you call these two animals? How?
Rangers.
Rangers?
Rangers.
Rangers?
Rangers, not Range Rovers, Rangers. So that's one of the Rangers, and that's another Ranger, that's one of the Gumbarus. And traditionally,
it's a husband and wife.
It could be, and traditionally normally one has a red nose. Now neither of these have, so tomorrow we'll come along and we'll pop a red nose on that one.
Mr. Paul, make a picture of mine.
You're on camera, Gusivy LaBouffe.
doesn't
we are.
suit me. This
Well, you could be the one with the red nose.
ranges.
Yes. Stick with us. We're going to go that way. There we are. Snowflakes, Santa again. That's a baby Santa over there, and he's brought a snowman with him. In fact, he's brought 2 snowmen with him. Some more packages all wrapped up, waiting to be undone. And we understand what that is. Tomorrow night, that'll be open. Santa Claus will be in town. And of course, he's going to invite Miss Oching Gracivia Booth to sit on his lap. Yes, I know we are a family channel, but I'm sure he's going to invite her to sit on his lap. And he's going to say to her, Miss Oching Gracivia Booth, have you been a good girl?
Yes, very good girl, Mr. Santa Claus. I've been doing well. I bought many dresses for me and I want more.
There we are. That's Oching Gracivia Booth. More ranges, have a look at that. And more little presents all wrapped up. And there's another Santa Claus, and there's another balloon over there. Some very, very nice Christmas decorations indeed. And that's one of the wooden stalls again. Yeah, that's right. And then there's another wooden stall over there. So tomorrow night we're going to come along and we're going to find out and capture some of the beauty in downtown Ayia Napa. And there is Santa Claus. He's got a bell in his hand and he's welcoming you to downtown Ayia Napa. And there's Gracivia Booth. And she's probably going to blow you a kiss.
It's amazing in here. Everyone should come and see this beauties around, all with lights and also different colors. These Santa Clauses, lovely man, granddads.
Granddad with a big, big beard.
Sugar daddies.
That's sugar daddy. I thought I was a sugar daddy, Gracivia Booth. Anyway, let's have a
You're
look at
not
this.
that old.
No, I'm not that old yet. There we are. Look at that for a Christmas tree with a nice big star stuck right on the top. There's the balloon that's going to parachute in with all of the big presents for Gracivia Booth. And there's a little gumbaru who's found himself something, and he's thinking, is it edible? And he's thinking, no, it's not. Now he's checking that one out. Gumbaru. There he is. He's all ready for Christmas. What a lovely little coat he's got as well.
Yes.
Come here. Come here, little gumbaru. There we are. There he is. A little gumbaru on camera. He's a beauty. If you're around tomorrow night, young man, we'll bring you something to eat.
Yeah.
What a beautiful, beautiful little cat. There he is. In between a kitten and a cat. Yes, and he wants to play.
Oh,
there he is. Right, stick with us. We're going to continue on our trek. There's a baby Santa Claus again. Perhaps this one over here could be Rudolph. Let's go and have a look and see if he's got a red nose. Nope. So guess what? Tomorrow, Gracivia Booth, come down with the lipstick and you need to make all of these little noses red. Because Rudolph is the red-nosed ranger. And there's our little gumbaru. He's following us. He's understood that we're friendly humans. And he's hoping that we're going to give him some little treat.
Going to be arrested
Maybe.
for the red noses.
Well, no. They wouldn't dare arrest Oching Gracivia Booth. And then here's the grand stage over here. Because like I told you, tomorrow night there's going to be live entertainment. And that is where it's all going to take place. And of course, on top of that live entertainment, Oching Gracivia Booth, well, she's going to be dancing them boards as well. She's brought the Chuchuchka boots with her. And of course, the mayor of downtown Ayia Napa has invited her to perform on that stage live tomorrow night. So there's going to be a lot of going on, that's for sure. Gracivia Booth, off she goes. There we go, we're going to follow the rear end as she gets into position. Here we are. She's just practicing her wares for tomorrow night. That's Oching Gracivia Booth. Where's the huh? There we are. So don't forget to come back tomorrow night live on Chuck Norris. There we are. And Jackie Chan is coming into town next week, we promise you. Now, let's keep going that way. We're in the downtown Ayia Napa Harbour. That's the beautiful, beautiful church that again that has been all lit up for the winter season,
And
Christmas time.
on the line.
And there's umbrellas
And between the
absolutely
palm trees.
everywhere. Have a look at that. Doesn't get much better. Well, actually it does. Oching Gracivia Booth, the most beautiful woman in the world.
But look at that.
Let's try and capture those hanging umbrellas. Marika Poppins will be coming back into town tomorrow. And there's our little gumbaru coming running up. Here he comes. He understands these are friendlies. Hey young man, how you doing? Star of the show. Absolute little star.
He's saying, where's my phone?
Here he is. Here we are, we got him on camera. He's thinking, oh my God, I don't want to be famous on YouTube. Here he is. He says, where are you taking me to? What's going on?
He's gonna scratch.
No, I don't
He's
think so.
scared.
You think we're trying to eat him?
No, we are not eating the cat.
So let's pop out through the European flags, the Greek flags, and of course just over yonder, that is the blue Mediterranean Sea. Looks a bit dark tonight, obviously. There's a slightly better lit path over there. So we're in the downtown Ayia Napa Harbour area. If you remember way back a month ago or so, we were staying in some rather nice rooms, or they call them suites, which is to the rear of this rather nicely lit church, just over there yonder where I'm pointing, and this time we're on the ground floor. So come back, we're going to have breakfast out on the terrace, and we're going to show you some spectacular sights that are only in downtown Ayia Napa. So for now we say thanks for watching, and of course if you like what you see, hit that like, click subscribe, please come back for a little bit more of our madness. Receive you the booth.
And I just would like to tell you that it's so beautiful. The eye cannot believe to the beauty that it can see. But again, when you observe it without camera eye, but with your own eyes, you think that the whole world was presented to you. And I wish all the world would be presented to you all. We are loving you to bits, and we're kissing you from the bottom of our two hearts. And many kisses. And bye-bye. Oh yes, and I forgot to tell you, please don't forget to come and see another of our madnesses. Many kisses. And bye-bye.
Thanks for watching.